So we came from that side, and now we're going to Bike World. There's the site. Ano kalaki kaya itong Bike World? So similar to Autobox, I have a feeling this what they call the motorcycle support shop is service center. Baka service center dito. Laki! Let's see, what did they have here? So they have the motorcycle parking here. Oh, look at this classic Ninja. This is the GPZ, right, correct. The 1000, I see a few Harley. That's, I think, the CBR 500 or the 650. Oh, it's a girl. So this one is 900. Okay, let's go inside. Yeah. Glamster. X50. Oh, my helmet. Ikot lang muna tayo. And then before I do my own shopping. Ito, helmet, aray. Ooh. Oh, mga scooter parts. Handlebars. So mostly showy, aray. AGV konti. Simpson. Yung ano, pang dry ng helmet. I don't know these brands. Zack. HJC, we know. Mga tires. Mura ba't gulong dito? TS100 Makla. Rosso to 40,000. So let's presuming ito size natin. 40,000. So that's mga 16,000 pesos for the pair. Tama ba yan? Talagang mura. Pero kung mura ba yun tayo? 16,000 pair na. S21. Hindi na tayo pwede magpasok ng gulong. Oh, tama nga, Rosso. 180.55. So ito yung gulong natin, 42. Mga 17,000 to. Batlux TS100. I don't know which one is the TS100. Michelin Road 6. Ito yung okay daw na gulong. Pero ito 42,000 pair pa lang eh. So mas mura ba yun? Mga nakaset? Kasi nakasale kaya nakaset. Not bad oh, mura oh. Okay, so we have the oils and the oil filters here. Basahan din. Battery. Yeah, fluids. Rain gear. And then here, mga tank bags, tail bags. Mga phone mounts. As usual, you have quad lock here. Quad lock's cheaper here. So this is 10,000. That comes out to 4,000 pesos. This is 7,000. The motorcycles. So mga 3,000. Shoes. Riding shoes. Mga dash cams for motorcycle. Combs. So what combs do they have? Cardo. Midland. I don't know that brand. Uy, ayun. The one that you can connect the Cardo. Kano kaya to? I'm curious to live. Okay, these are the armors. So these are armors you wear under your jacket. 26,000 yen. So that's 11 something. Mahal, oh. Alpine Stars also has it. Pero mas mura si Alpine Star. Airbag. These are racing leather. $104,000. 40,000. Not bad actually, no? So what are this? Komine. Yeah, I really don't like Komine. Oh, this looks like a huge pants. Kaya pala nakasale. Lucky, oh. Ano size nito? 5XL. Airbag system. $46,000. 20,000 pesos. Pants ulit. Jackets. Tai Chi. I like Tai Chi. Grabe itong winter na winter. Wala, puro makakapal. Walang pwede pang Philippines. Pero kaya dito mas manipis. Dali. This one is very light. Pero para siyang this has no abrasion. Ito mga ito, walang abrasion lang. It's just to hold an armor lang. Vanson. Oh, pero 30% off. Oh. Pero parang mas mahal dito kaysa sa Manila. Kasi yung bili ko sa Tai Chi ko, parang 7,000-8,000 na lang. If this is 36,000, these are still mga 15,000 something. So, mas mahal dito. I guess hintayin mo na lang mag-sale sa Moto World if you want the Tai Chi or the Komine. Ako, I'm just not a fan of Komine. Not because of the quality of their product. Ang dami kasing peke. Tai Chi. Ang ganda ng color nito. Kapal lang. Init. Pang winter. Pang cold season. Mga motorcycles. I think these are used motorcycles. Yeah, these are used. Gloves. Okay pa ako sa gloves. Unless I see one na maganda. I want the CT125. Ganda. 400,000 yen. So that's 160,000. Ang mahal, no? Ah. Ducks, monkey. Mga cub, oh. CCT10. Ito mga scooters. Honda na scooter. Mamahal ng motor. CB125. Gixxer na 250. Ito, ang ganda talaga nito. The Ducks. Surprised with the prices here, mamahal. This is the Yamaha Bolt. And this looks like a used one. Yeah, this is a used one. No? Yung tambucho may ano na. Yeah, this looks like a used one. Naupuan makikita mo. Does it say the mileage here? Yan, 11,000 na tinakbo, 2017. 900,000 yan, more or less. So that's 360,000, 370. Pwede na. This one's okay na. 2004. So this is comes out to around 240,000, 230. Which one is this Yam? This is the Tri-Citina 300. So yung mga big bikes, the price are okay. Africa Twin, 1.1, 1.2 million. So that's 240, 480,000. 480,000 for what year? 2017, 6,000 lang tinakbo. Pwede, pwede. Is this DCT already? Let's check. Is this the auto? No, this is not the automatic. It's the manual. So let's look at the other bikes here. Z900 RS, 2,000 lang tinakbo 2019. So 280, 560,000. Yeah, 560, 570,000. Mahal ba yun? Parang medyo, no? Parang wala sa mga 500 lang yata sa Manila. The Boldor, no, this is the CB1300, not the Boldor. (2022). This is the R7 crossplane. This is the R1. Kunin na niya yung mga R1. Ang mga R1. Stop production na. BMWs. Nag-iisang Ducati doon. Ito, Ducati rin. 62 is the 400cc. 820. Monster 797. 2020 model. Not bad, 798. 320,000. Ito mura. This is cheap. I guess, compare sa Manila, mahal ang Ducati. Dito, mura. 320,000 lang yan. 2020 model yan. Mileage. 3,000 lang. Yeah. Pero medyo talaga ako. Surprise sa mga presyo nitong mga itong mga scooter. This is, I'm presuming these are 50cc scooters kasi tira mo, drum brakes lang yan. 120,000 yen. So that's 48,000 pesos yan. Medyo mahal for 2021 model na 16,000 na tinakbo. Pero ito talaga nakakagulat. Bakit ang mamahal nito mga CT125? Dax. This is the new monkey. The Dax. Okay guys, so that's Bike World. Wala masyadong mabili So, well, I just wanted to see what was here, pero I guess may isa pang store So, tingnan natin kung pupuntahan ko rin. Okay guys, thank you.